So welcome back. The third example is find the value of y such that y log y equals to log y base 2 equals to minus 3. So we can solve that. We have log y, this is a question, 2 equals to minus 3. So writing it in index form becomes 2 raised to the power of minus 3. That's how to convert from log form into index form. So I have what? Y equals to 1 over 2 raised to power 3 from our laws of indices, which is 1 over 8. 1 over 8. And that's our final answer. Also, so we continue. So we have find log 2. So log 32 base 2 plus log 16 base 2 equals to log x base 2. So let's solve this now. Plus means times. So I have log 32 times 16 base 2 equals to log x base 2. So we can cancel out this. So x simply means 32 times 16. And let's do that. So 32 times 16. So that's 12, 1, 19, then 2, 1.